My partner gave me this for my birthday. Well, it's kind of for both of us. A little kit that you assemble. And, oh shoot, I bent something already. And so it comes in all these bags. And has all these little things here. And an instruction booklet. So I've put together one thing so far. Ta-da! Oh, I gotta take that tape off of there. So it was this piece and that piece and that piece and that piece. And then this one you wrap in this paper, which is like grooved, you can feel it. And I put it on the wrong way, the green is the wrong direction. And then you do these little, well, this one's printed, but you do these two little side pieces with that same paper. And then you glue on this little piece of wire. Now you have like a little bar stand, which, there it is. That's like the counter you come up to, I guess. That's cute. Excuse me. So, yeah, so then you have to cut out the different stuff, and it's all in millimeters. So the next thing I was doing was these bar stools, and I got these covered. This glue is weird, by the way. And I put the little thingy on there. And then the other part is I had to cut the wire and bend it up. Please don't mind my nails, skin's been dry. And this wire didn't fit into these little, where's the other cup? Into this little cup. The wire was too thick. So hopefully I'm not going to find out later that I got the wrong wire out of that bag, because it tells you what number the bag, what bag number has the item, and then you go grab it. So then this is supposed to be the base, and then this is going to go on top, but it's still kind of drying, and it's really wobbly. But yeah, I had to like bend it a lot and squish it up into that little cup, so that's not exciting. So we'll see how that goes. So that's part one. Oh, let me just show some other stuff. So these are this is wood, and you like pop them out like you're doing a plastic model, and you match them up with your piece of paper, the numbers, and some of them you have, like I had to cut the thing out that goes onto the thing, and you glue it on. So that's where I'm at so far. I'll come back when I complete the stools, I guess.